Bombs on Ireland. That's the latest atrocity committed by Hitler. Direct hits were made here in County Wexford, and not only was the cooperative creamery wrecked, but worse still, 3 girls were killed and others injured. The outrage occurred in broad daylight, so no excuse is possible. Not only do Hitler's bombers strike at civilians in Britain, but also at neutral Ireland. Cleaning up the debris, the men wear gas masks owing to the escaping ammonia fumes. Those 5 famous Canadians, the Dion quintuplets, were recently at home.